Wash and clean half a head of katla fish. Add salt and turmeric powder to this and massage it all over. Marinate it for 15 minutes. While the fish marinates, take moong dal and dry roast it in a hot kadai. Stirring continuously, dry roast it on high heat for 4 minutes until it takes a darker yellow color. Once completed, wash your dal with water and place it in a pressure cooker with 2 cups of water. Add a bit of refined oil to this so that when the pressure cooker whistles, the water inside does not overflow. Pressure cook it on medium heat for 4 whistles. Once the steam in the pressure cooker is released, open it. Next, for frying the fish, add mustard oil in a kadhai on high heat. Once the oil is smoking hot, add the marinated fish head. There will be oil splutters while frying. So, cover and fry for 5 minutes, periodically turning it on its sides so that it can completely cook through. With the help of the spatula, break the fish through the middle to ensure the fish head is completely done, and then remove it from the kadai, draining out most of the oil. Join me as we explore a bit about this recipe's history. In the marriages of Bengali Hindu families, Rui fish is considered auspicious and is sent from the groom's side as a blessing or shagun to the bride's home during the Gai Holud or Haldi ceremony. After the ceremony, this fish is cut and cooked, which is served as Macher Kalia. Neither the fish head nor the offals, called Macher Tel, is discarded. A fish head is cooked with Moong Dal and served with chachra, which is Macher Tel cooked with pui shag or Malabar spinach. These assortment of dishes are generally served during lunchtime. In the same oil you fried your fish head, take bay leaf, dry red chili and whole cumin. After the spices crackle, add sugar to it. If you like more sweeter dal, you can always add more sugar. Next, add chopped onions and fry them for 5 minutes. After the onion turns translucent, add chopped ginger and fry for 2 minutes. Then add chopped tomatoes and fry for another 2 minutes until it starts to release its juices. To this, add turmeric powder, red chili powder and cumin powder and cook with sprinkles of water to prevent the masala from burning. Once the raw smell of the spices disappears, Add the fried fish head and break it into smaller pieces to help cook thoroughly and also for portioning later. Next, add the boiled moong dal to the kadai. Add water to this and stir until it comes to a boil. Remember, this dal has a thicker consistency, so add water accordingly. Add salt as per your preference and stir well. When the dal comes to a boil, we add fresh chilies. After cooking for a minute, switch off the flame and add garam masala and ghee to this, and we are done. This is traditionally served with hot white rice.